Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw BTC from Binance to another wallet. For that, first of all, you will have to launch your Binance mobile app and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on Spot. Once done, you will have to select BTC as you want to withdraw BTC from Binance. After selecting it, you are going to see this withdrawal option at the bottom. So you need to tap on withdrawal and then you will be given two different options to withdraw your BTC from Binance. Now as you want to withdraw it to some another wallet, so you will have to select the first option of send via crypto network. After that, you will be redirected on this page where you will be asked to provide the address in this section and select the network. So for this video, I'm going to select Ronin wallet. So in order to get the address, you just have to launch the Ronin wallet, and after that you are going to see your wallet address in the top. So you need to tap on copy in order to copy it, and after that you will have to come to this page again. Now in the address bar, you will have to paste the address that we have just copied from Ronin wallet. After that, in the network, you will have to select Ronin. Then you will have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to withdraw from here, and then you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will be redirected on the next page where you need to review your withdrawal, and if everything is correct, you just have to confirm it in order to withdraw it. After waiting for some time, you will notice that you have successfully withdrawn your BTC from Binance to another wallet, which in our case, as we have used Ronin wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.